Hey ladies, I just wanted to share a quick tip for you. I crock potted these chicken thighs earlier today. Just threw them in the crock pot with nothing in it other than just that. And I poured the cooked ones into my KitchenAid mixer, and it has the broth in it. I'm going to turn it on. And if you watch, it dices it and slices it and chops it up and makes it really nice shredded chicken. I like the broth in it because it kind of keeps it really moist. Gives it, you're going to see it's almost like a tuna-like texture when I'm done with it. Here you go. You can take a quick peek in there. And it's done. So you take your chicken breasts or your chicken thighs, whichever you prefer, your crock pot, heat them up for a few hours, probably, I guess, maybe 3 hours on low, and then pour everything from the crock pot into your mixer and turn it on, and then literally in 5 seconds you have shredded chicken. So just a little quick kitchen tip. I hope you like that. Bye.